The U.S. Senate confirmed General Mike Guetlein as the inaugural head of America's newly launched Golden Dome Missile Defense Initiative. This role places him at the helm of what may become the most significant evolution of U.S. homeland defense since the Cold War. Guetlein will serve as the first program manager for the Golden Dome Direct Reporting Program, GDA-DRPM, a high-level post that answers directly to Deputy Secretary of Defense Steve Feinberg. This appointment is a key move in advancing the Golden Dome program, a centerpiece of President Donald Trump's national security agenda during his second term. First announced during a major address at the Reagan Library in February 2024, the Golden Dome concept is designed to defend the continental United States against a rapidly expanding set of missile threats. These include China's hypersonic developments, Russia's strategic weapons upgrades, and the unpredictable ballistic ambitions of North Korea and Iran. Golden Dome proposes an unprecedented defense network that fuses terrestrial, aerial, and orbital systems into a synchronized shield over the homeland. While the Israeli Iron Dome served as inspiration, the U.S. version is being engineered to meet far more complex and far-reaching demands, targeting not only short-range projectiles but also advanced intercontinental ballistic missiles, hypersonic glide vehicles, stealth cruise missiles, and even coordinated drone swarms. The system's architecture emphasizes lightning-fast decision-making enabled by AI, multi-domain sensor fusion, and next-gen interceptors. These will include hypersonic kill vehicles and directed energy platforms capable of engaging threats at various stages of flight. Unlike legacy systems reliant on isolated silos or static radar stations, Golden Dome aims to create a flexible, layered response grid able to dynamically counter threats from anywhere on Earth. General Guetlein, currently serving as the Vice Chief of Space Operations in the U.S. Space Force, brings with him deep operational experience in space-based defense and strategic systems. He has been a driving force in integrating national space capabilities and is well positioned to oversee a program that will rely heavily on orbital assets for early detection and global response coordination. The Golden Dome Office, under his command, is set to unveil its initial operational blueprint within 2 months. This plan will outline the path forward for system design, acquisition, testing, and phased deployment. To meet the aggressive timelines expected by the Pentagon, the office will collaborate closely with private defense firms, federal research labs, universities, and other military branches. More than a standalone weapons platform, Golden Dome is being cast as a unified defense infrastructure, harnessing the full weight of American industrial, scientific, and military might. It is as much a statement of technological ambition as it is of strategic necessity, reflecting Washington's desire to outpace adversaries through innovation, scale, and rapid integration. With Guetlein at the forefront, the project is expected to operate with speed, adaptability, and strategic vision. His direct line to top Pentagon leadership indicates just how seriously the Department of Defense views this effort, not just as a policy measure, but as a transformative force in how America protects its skies. As global tensions rise and missile technology accelerates across rival states, the Golden Dome Initiative stands as a bold countermeasure, projecting a renewed American emphasis on deterrence, defense, and homeland resilience in the face of 21st-century threats.